Hi everyone, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel called Infinite Experiment. My name is Sabari. I'm a vivid and passionate technical trainer who train people on information technology. I have started this channel keeping one thing in mind, the practical approach, by experimenting infinitely. What it means is, I'll be ensuring that my videos will target more of practical approach rather than conceptual. But at the beginning, we need to approach conceptually in order to get in depth with the practical. So few of my videos will be of abstract than practical, but rest of the course will be completely of practical. We will go all the way down to the depth to understand the concept well. I'll be coming up with series of video sessions on technology like Python, Java, Spring Technologies, Spring Boot, Hibernate, microservices, and even we can include data science and machine learning as we go along. More interestingly, I will also come up with intermittently a live training sessions on YouTube, which will be published on my social platforms, and as well as I will come up with the gist of videos on when the live training will happen. To summarize, I am going to focus on technical training relevantly to the information technology. Teaching is my passion, and my dream is to become a life coach. With this, I end up my note. Thank you all.